Today, I want to share my experience with this electric ear cleaner. The box arrived in good condition, and everything inside was neatly organized and carefully protected. As I opened the package, I found the instruction booklet, the accessories, and the main device. At first glance, I liked its appearance. It feels compact, lightweight, and comfortable to hold. Putting the pieces together was simple, and the buttons were easy to recognize without making the product feel confusing. After reading the instructions, I decided to try it for myself. The cleaning process felt gentle and pleasant on my ears, which made the experience more comfortable than I expected. When I finished, I enjoyed the fresh and clean sensation it left behind. That feeling was satisfying and made the product feel useful. I also like that everything comes together in one device, so it does not take up much space and can be stored easily at home. I'm not an expert, and everyone's experience may be different. This is simply my honest and humble opinion as a customer who actually used it. Overall, I found it practical, comfortable, easy to understand, and thoughtfully presented.